Are you tired of a messy, disorganized kitchen? Introducing our 32-piece food storage containers set with easy snap lids. With this set, you can finally achieve top-notch kitchen organization. Each set includes 16 food containers with 16 lids, along with reusable labels and a marker. These space-saving and efficient pantry organizers will keep your cabinets, freezer, refrigerator, and kitchen tidy, while also adding to the overall decor. But it doesn't stop there. Our containers come in a wide variety of shapes and sizes to meet all your storage needs. You'll receive 3 rectangular containers, 35 ounces, 3 rectangular containers, 30 ounces, 3 round containers, 25 ounces, 3 rectangular containers, 19 ounces, and 4 rectangular containers, 12 ounces. No matter what you need to store, we have the perfect container for it. What sets our containers apart is the 4-hinge locking system. With this airtight seal, your food will stay fresh for longer, there will be no foul odors, and everything will remain leak-proof. Now you can store your leftovers without worrying about them spoiling. Share meals with your family at your convenience. Our containers are not only practical, but they are also microwave and dishwasher safe. They are stackable, which saves valuable space in your kitchen. You can easily carry them to the office, school, or during travel. They are stain-resistant, easy to clean, and dishwasher-friendly. No more worrying about stubborn stains or hand-washing countless containers. Furthermore, our clear food storage containers are resourceful. As pioneers of pantry organization and kitchen storage products, we designed these containers to assist you in your daily life. They are perfect for storing fruits, vegetables, cooked meals, dry food, and even gravies. The possibilities are endless. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US, as outlets and voltage may differ internationally. If you are purchasing from outside the US, please check compatibility and consider using an adapter or converter. Be one of the thousands of satisfied customers who rated our product with an impressive 4.5 stars. Join the ranks of those who have experienced the benefits of our food storage containers set. Say goodbye to a messy kitchen and hello to top-notch organization. Get your 32-piece food storage containers set with easy snap lids now and start enjoying the benefits today.